In Gaza, the pain is getting deeper and deeper day after day. These days, the civilians don't look for luxuries. They hardly seeking to afford the basics for them. This is why we are trying our best to reduce and minimize the suffering of the Gazans. Today, we at Al Khidmat USA, in partnership with Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan, are distributing clean drinking water for the needy and displaced people in Tel El Hawa in the north of Gaza Strip. Today is Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025. Thanks for your support, which always makes a difference.